Hello everyone, I'm Sir Pennylicious from Simple Trade, and in today's spotlight I will explain about the company CFGX. As it has been pointed out, the company had a big breakout that gave us 190% on the 22nd of September. And how is it still relevant today? So we will start with a little bit of background. This is a finance company that offers asset-backed financing and loan advisory service, and in the recent filings they have stated the following. The company is actively seeking merger targets to acquire certain strategic competencies and employees in order to accelerate its business development and growth. And if we go to their Twitter account, we can see that they are pretty active. They tweet once a week or so, and in one of the recent tweets, they even asked the shareholders' opinion about their new logo options. This only shows how serious they are about bringing value to the shareholders. Now that we know the story, let's see what caused the breakout on the 22nd and the 1.4 billion in volume in just 2 days. So in that exact day, the company released the last filing missing to take it to the yield sign status, and on that same day they got it. Which is big news because every trader at that time knew that the SEC deadline was closer than ever and the yield sign status was kind of an immunity from the delisting massacre that happened on the 28th of September. And ever since, the stock was moving in an uptrend. On the 14th of October, the company released an attorney letter, the last document the company needs before it can be upgraded to a pink coin status. Thus, on the 14th of October, we had another spike of 60%. The attorney letter was something everyone were anticipating too, because after the company is fully compliant, they can proceed to the merger plans that they have stated in their filings. There is still what to look forward to in this company, so keep your heads up and see how the story develops. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you learned from it, don't forget to hit the like button, comment down below, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss any future videos. If you have yet joined to our Simple Trade Discord community, the link is down in the description below.